I welcome you all once again to the viral editing tutorial. You all know how important the editing part is in this generation of YouTube. I have been teaching you the best editing techniques which are in trend. So following the same process, today we will see another 5 best and ongoing editing techniques which you can edit easily in Capcut. So without wasting our precious time, let's jump into today's topic. You might have observed this type of comment, which will look very attractive to watch. So let's learn to modify the comment section. For this, simply open the Capcut application and import any one image in the background. Now click on the overlay option and select the comment which you want to add. Now select the comment and go to the mask option. And select the rectangle shape. Now drag the arrow until the comment is visible. On the top left corner, if you drag like this, you will be able to see the curve around the rectangle shape. You can adjust it as required by you. Now to make it more attractive, let me teach you the whole process. Simply select the image and drag it downwards. And add a keyframe here. Now add another keyframe here and drag the image to the middle of the part. Now select the image and go to the graph option and select ease out 3. Now you can see the magic. To make the background more attractive, I will just click on the effect option and select video effects. Here you can select your desired effects, but now I am selecting by the fireplace effect. Now drag it as much as required. Now it's time to add a second comment. For this, import the second comment and bring it below the first comment. And follow up the same process. You just need to follow the same process which you did for the first comment. Just do it step by step. You just need to follow the same process. And finally our video looks like this. Moving on to the second viral editing technique, I request you to please subscribe to the channel if you are finding the video helpful. So let's move on to our next technique. For this type of editing we just need 2 applications. One is of course Capcut and another one is Pixel Lab, which will be helpful for making our images. So open your Pixel Lab application. I will select the thumbnail size here. Now click on the Shapes option and select the rectangle shape. Adjust its size and color as required by you. I will adjust its position to the center. Now click on the plus icon and import your channel logo. Adjust its position as required. Now I will add some text. Simply follow up the same process with me. I will add my channel name. So now it's completed. To make it more attractive, we need to adjust the side curve. Click on the rectangle and adjust its radius. If you want to give a 3D look, then you can select the emboss option. Simply save it to the gallery. Now come back to the Capcut application. I have imported a background. You can import any of the background. Now add the images which we have exported just now. Add it one by one by clicking on the overlay option. After adding all the images, adjust its time duration with the background. Now export this video. After that, click on the new project and import the same video. Now I will zoom in on the video as required. And add a keyframe here. Now add another keyframe and drag the video till the last portion. Now click on the graph option and select ease out 3. To make it more attractive, simply go to the effects option and click on video effects. I will select the explosion effect as it suits the video, drag the effect until the video ends. And our final video looks like this. Merging two videos is a very easy job until you know the easy method to do it. Let's learn it. I have imported one random video. Now I will import another video to merge. Now select the second clip and click on the overlay option. The second clip will shift to overlay. I will adjust the duration. Now select the overlay clip and click on the mask option and select the horizontal mask effect. Now rotate the arrow. You can rotate it vertically or horizontally as required. Here you can see the small arrow. Simply drag this arrow. And that's it, our video has been merged. Moving on to the next edit, we will learn the shaking effect, which will make your objects more attractive. I have imported a background. To make this background more attractive, we will use the effects. Click on the effects option and select the video effects. And select your desired effects. Adjust its duration. Now I will import the object and adjust its size. Again, click on Effects option and select Video Effects and select the Rebound Swing effect. You can also adjust its speed and intensity. Now click on the Object option and select Overlay. Similarly, I have imported another object and I will add some shaking effects to this object also. Simply select the Rebound Swing effect and duplicate it. And select the Object option and click on your required object. And our final video looks like this. Now we are going to learn the text reveal technique. This type of edit is very easy. We can do it in 2 minutes. Simply import the background. Now I will add the text. Now click the animation option and select the blur wipe right animation. Now I will export the video. Now come to a new project and import the video. Now I will take the YouTube PNG. Now adjust the image according to the text. Now I will add one keyframe here. Our text is ending here, so drag the object here and add a keyframe. Now click on the graph and select the Ease Out to option. To make it more attractive, I will select the Effects option and select the Butterfly Dream effect. So finally our video looks like this. So guys, today we have learnt another 5 best editing techniques which you can use in your videos to make your videos look attractive. And if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified each time when I upload the videos. And if you have not watched the old editing tutorials, then you can watch it by clicking here. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.